Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 17th May 2021, Monday. So this analysis is for Monday only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming days. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar, and as you can see right now I am in the 4 hours time frame, our favorite 4 hours time frame. And if you just look at the chart right now, you can see that overall the trend is towards the upside. The market is in uptrend, and as I always say, in an uptrend market you should always be looking for the area of value, and the area of value is always near the support in an uptrend market. But things are a little bit complicated in this chart. Okay, I would like to show you. At first I would like to take you to the weekly time frame. Probably you all don't like, but yes, I'm a fan of weekly multi time frame analysis. So I want you to learn, okay, how to do multi time frame analysis, because see, if you look at the higher time frame, then you get the picture what the big boys are doing, the big players are doing. Okay, so I have already shown in my previous videos of GBP USD that we have got a very crucial support at this level. Okay, because in the weekly chart you can easily see that market has got good support, extreme support at this level. Okay, so in case you get market at this price level, then this is a very good buying opportunity. 1.3774, 1.3774. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame, because apart from this support level there is not much thing available on the weekly chart. Because see, market tried to go up, face some price rejection from above. Previous week market from the green candle. Okay, so this is the level I was talking about in the weekly time frame. Okay, in case you get at this price level after some days, okay, then this is a very good buying opportunity. This is a very good buying opportunity because market has got good support at this level. But do remember, confirmation is always important. Confirmation can be in the form of price rejection from below, or hammer pattern like this, or a green bullish candle like this. Okay, so this will be your best trading opportunity. Okay, this support level 1.3774, this will be your best trading opportunity and the most safe entry in the GBP USD chart. Okay, apart from this level, okay, let me talk about these other levels. You can see that market was in heavy buying pressure. Okay, there was heavy buying pressure, market was very bullish, but after reaching this particular level, market somehow faced some resistance and market had to come down. Okay, and right now market is trading here. Okay, market after this kind of a bullish pressure, okay, buying pressure, market had to come down because market had resistance at this level. I would like to show you. You can see that in the month of February, 24th Feb, okay, 24th Feb, market went up. Okay, market went up, faced resistance, and after that market faced heavy selling pressure. And if you can see that on the chart, market was making higher highs. Okay, market was making higher highs and lower highs. Market was very much bullish. Okay, market was very much bullish in the month of Feb. Okay, market was very much bullish, but market faced heavy selling pressure, and after that there was a sharp fall in the market. And we can see that the history is repeating again in the month of May. Market is making lower highs. Okay, market is kind of bullish, there is heavy buying pressure, but once market touched the resistance zone, this particular resistance zone, market faced selling pressure again, which means that sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the price to go up. Therefore, what should be a strategy then? I have already mentioned, okay, this is your best buying level. Okay, but this level is quite far away. So on Monday, okay, on Monday when the market will open, just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price and see where it goes. In case it goes up, okay, in case it goes up to this resistance level 1.4164 level, then just observe the price and just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market has crossed this particular resistance level, okay, then wait for at least 2 candles. That means 8 hours, 4 to 8 hours. You need to wait for 4 to 8 hours, because I have already shown you in the month of February also market was extremely bullish. Market was under the heavy influence of buyers. Still there was sharp fall in the market. So history may repeat again. Therefore confirmation is important. Therefore once market crosses this level, then you need to wait for 4 to 8 hours and just observe the price. If you see that after 4 to 8 hours, yes, price is not struggling, buyers are doing great, they are trading comfortably above this level, then you can go for buy order above this level. Once the resistance has converted into support, okay, once the resistance become the support, then only you should go for buy order, otherwise no. On the other hand, after hitting this particular level, okay, after hitting this particular level, if you see that price is struggling, price is unable to cross the resistance, okay, the buyers are trembling, okay, the size of the candles are getting smaller, okay, price is very much in pressure, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still very much dominant at this price level and they will not allow the market to go up. In this case, you can short the market. Usually in an uptrend market, I always say that you should not short the market, you may get trapped. But here I have already shown you the heavy selling pressure. Okay, in case you see that market has formed a big red candle, or market is under heavy selling pressure, okay, like a big red candle like this, then you can short the market. Okay, but you need to understand the psychology here. If after reaching the resistance, if market forms a small red candle, okay, small red candle, tiny candle, then do not short the market. Okay, if you see that market is being supported, the price is being supported by volume, heavy selling volume, then only short the market. Okay, so on the other hand, okay, I would like to show you one more opportunity here. You can see that on multiple occasions 50 moving average provided support to the market here, kinda here also, here. So 50 moving average is a valid support for the market. Okay, in case after market opening, market starts coming down and you see that it has taken support at the 50 moving average, and if you see good price rejection from below, then you will get the confirmation that yes, 50 MA is a valid support to the market. You will get a confirmation in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, okay, or a candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, it is a valid support, still a valid support, then you can go for a buy order at the 50 moving average. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities in GBP USD. Multiple opportunities are there, so be careful and trade wisely. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya again.